A day in La Rambla, the ultimate Barcelona itinerary. Morning on La Rambla, a serendipitous encounter. It's a crisp morning in Barcelona, and our protagonist, Elena, a travel writer, is strolling down La Rambla, the city's vibrant, tree-lined promenade. Her mission is clear: to document the essence of this iconic street. She's eager to explore the bustling markets, street performers, and hidden gems. But as she stops to photograph a striking mosaic by Joan Miró, she notices a mysterious figure slipping a small package into her bag before disappearing into the crowd. Confused but intrigued, Elena checks the package. A map with cryptic symbols, a note reading, "Follow the clues to unlock the secret of La Rambla," and a warning, "Trust no one." Her heart pounds as curiosity overrides caution. Who left the package? What could the map lead to? Determined to uncover the mystery, she follows the first clue to Mercat de Sant Josep de la Boqueria, a bustling market filled with vibrant stalls. But as she searches for her next hint, she realizes she's being followed. Afternoon chase, the dark side of La Rambla. Elena's journey takes a dark turn as she deciphers the map, leading her through the labyrinthine alleys off La Rambla. She uncovers historical landmarks, each holding a piece of the puzzle. The tension escalates when she realizes the map points to a secret hidden beneath the street's surface, a lost relic tied to Barcelona's history. As she decodes the symbols, shadowy figures begin tailing her. A breathtaking chase ensues through narrow alleyways, over rooftops, and into hidden courtyards. She narrowly escapes capture multiple times, relying on quick thinking and her knowledge of Barcelona's layout. Along the way, she meets Javier, a local historian who claims to know the relic's true significance. While Javier offers help, his motives remain unclear, and Elena must decide whether to trust him. Evening revelations, the hidden relic. Elena and Javier follow the final clues to an abandoned theater near La Rambla, where they discover an underground passage leading to a secret chamber. Inside, they find the relic, a centuries-old artifact tied to Barcelona's founding myths. The chamber is filled with intricate carvings and documents that reveal the relic's potential to rewrite the city's history. But their discovery is short-lived. The shadowy figures tracking them arrive, armed and dangerous. Elena and Javier find themselves trapped, forced to navigate a deadly game of cat and mouse. As the tension reaches its peak, Elena uses her quick wit and the relic's secrets to outsmart their pursuers, narrowly escaping with their lives. Nightfall, the price of discovery. As night falls, Elena and Javier emerge back on La Rambla, exhausted but triumphant. They know the relic's significance could change everything, but revealing its secrets comes with a price. They debate whether to hand it over to the authorities, risking it falling into the wrong hands, or to keep it hidden to protect its power. The story culminates in a dramatic standoff with a shadowy organization chasing them. In a heart-pounding sequence, Elena must make a choice: sacrifice herself to safeguard the relic or trust Javier to protect it. The decision leads to a shocking twist, as Javier's true allegiance is revealed, leaving Elena to question everything she thought she knew. The resolution leaves the audience breathless, with the fate of the relic and its impact on Barcelona hanging in the balance. The final scene captures the vibrant chaos of La Rambla, a stark contrast to the hidden mysteries it conceals, ensuring readers are left eager for a sequel.